Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start grammar in Iqra English Grammar Book 3 and our topic is noun and its kinds. Students, note it that this lecture is for all students of Iqra Fast Secondary School except Varsak branch students. All other branches of Iqra school will use Iqra English Grammar Book 3 for to learn grammar, while the students of Varsak branch will use Iqra Applied Grammar Book for to learn grammar. They must watch their lecture. This is your book, Iqra English Grammar Book 3. Let's start to study our topic. Students, noun is part of speech. Noun is part of speech. Now I am explaining it. A noun is a naming word. It names a person, place, animal or a thing. Means noun is the name of person, place, animal or a thing. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal or a thing. Noun किसी भी शख्स, जगह, जानवरों या चीज़ों के नाम को कहते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल उमर, लाहौर, लॉइन, चेयर, क्लास. Students, we know that Umar is the name of boy, Lahore is the name of place, Loin is the name of animal, while chair and class are the names of thing. This is the exercise. Students, these exercises must be done by yourself in your rough copy or practice copy. But in grammar book, you will write these solved exercises in your grammar book. Students, you will write the names of 5 people. You will write the names of 5 places. You will write the names of 5 objects. Also, you will write the names of 5 animals. Students, in your practice copy or rough copy, write down the names of other people, because you will write the solved exercises in your book, and in the practice copy write the other names of 5 people, 5 places, 5 objects and 5 animals. In part 1 of exercise A, there are given some names like Nida, Vania, Sidra, Alina and Maryam. One thing is mentioned that write the first letter of the name of the person in capital form, because these are proper noun. Nida, like in Nida, N is written in capital form. In Vania, W is written in capital form. In Sidra, S is written in capital form. In Alina, A is written in capital form. While in Maryam, M is written in capital form. Number 2, write down the names of 5 places: Lahore, Karachi, Peshawar, Murree. Students, the spelling is MURREE. Islamabad. In your rough copy, write the other names of 5 places. Write the names of other 5 places. Write down the name of 5 objects. Object mean things: chair, table, pencil, book and pen. Write down the names of 5 animals: cat, dog, cow, lion and duck. Write down the following nouns in the appropriate boxes. Students, this is the World Bank, and you will use these words. You will write down the following nouns in the appropriate boxes. We know that Sarah, Sana, Adil, boy, sister and writer are the names of persons. China, market, Gilgit, town. Students, write T of the town in small form. These are the places: lion, tiger, crow, rabbit and all are the names of animals. Books, floor, house, seat, oil and dustpan are the things. Students, first we have learned about noun, then we will study about its kinds. Generally, the nouns are classified into 8 groups. Nouns are classified into 8 groups. Number 1 is common noun, proper noun, second is proper noun, third collective noun, material noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun. Students, first I will tell you about common noun. The word commonly used for a person, animal, place or a thing of same kind is called a common noun. किसी भी शख्स, जानवर, जगह या चीज़ें जो एक ही ग्रोह से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं उनके नाम को हम क्या कहते हैं? कॉमन नाउन. लाइक बॉय, चेयर, कैट, कंप्यूटर, सिटी. स्टूडेंट्स, बॉय कोई भी हो सकता है, चेयर, एनी कैट, एनी कंप्यूटर, एनी सिटी. That's why these are common noun. While in proper noun is totally opposite to common noun. The word used for a particular person, animal, place or a thing is called a proper noun. It always begins with capital letter. Students, about proper noun, I have already told you that proper letter begins with capital letter and these are the words used for a particular person. किसी भी ख़ास शख्स, जानवर, जगह या चीज़ों के नाम को कहते हैं. लाइक होली कुरान. बुक तो कोई भी हो सकता है बट होली कुरान is a particular book, is holy book. कराची, सादिया, पंजाब and Islam, these are the examples of proper noun. Collective noun, the word used for the group of people or things is called collective noun. किसी भी लोगों या चीज़ों के ग्रुप को अगर आप एक ही नाम दे दे जो सिंगल हो, क्या कहलाता है? collective noun. The word used for the group of people or things is called collective noun. For example, class represent the students. Class is a single word but it represents all the students. String, team, army, fleet are the examples of collective noun. Material noun, the word used for the material or substance out of which things are made is called material noun. कुदरती चीज़ें. Students, means कुदरती चीज़ें, natural things from which things are made is called material noun. Like gold is natural, iron is natural, silver, wood and steel, these are the materials or substances from which things are made. Like from gold we make jewelry, from iron we make many things, etc. Students, so these are called material noun. These are the examples of material noun. Concrete noun, the word used for the objects or things which can be seen, touched, heard, smelt or tasted is called concrete noun. ऐसी चीज़ें जिनको हम सीन देख सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, हर्ड सुन सकते हैं, स्मेल्ट सूंघ सकते हैं और टेस्ट कर सकते हैं इज कॉल्ड कॉन्क्रीट नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ग्लास, वी कैन सी द ग्लास, टच द ग्लास. वाटर, मैन, पेन, क्लॉथ, these are the examples of concrete noun. Abstract noun is opposite to concrete noun. Abstract noun is opposite to concrete noun. The word used for the objects which cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelt or tasted. In concrete noun, we have studied that the things, the objects which can be seen, touched, heard, smelt or tasted. But for abstract noun, the word used for the object which cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelt or tasted, but felt or thought, जिनको आप फील कर सकते हो और thought mean thinking, सोच सकते हो उसके बारे में, is called an abstract noun. These are the examples like honesty, we cannot see the honesty, we cannot taste the honesty, we cannot touch the honesty. The other examples are smell, friendship, bravery and kindness. The meanings of these words: honesty, ईमानदारी, smell, बू, friendship, दोस्ती, bravery, बहादुरी, kindness, शफकत. Students, we cannot see all these words but feel it. Countable noun. The naming words which can be counted are called countable nouns. The naming words which can be counted. Students, the things which we can count. What is countable noun? The things, the nouns which we can count are called countable nouns. For example, pen, book, house, orange or girl. Uncountable is opposite to countable noun. The naming words which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. The things which we cannot count. For countable noun, we studied that the things, the nouns which can be counted are called countable noun. But for uncountable noun, we say that the noun which cannot be counted, जिनको आप गिन नहीं सकते, are called uncountable nouns. For example, oil, you cannot count the oil. हाँ, वो अलग बात है कि आप उसे किसी बर्तन में डालें, ठीक है. वाटर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाटर, वी कैन नॉट से दैट वन वाटर, टू वाटर, वी कैन नॉट से, बट वी कैन से वन ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, टू ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, एटसेट्रा. Oil, water, milk, honesty and light are the things which we cannot count. These are the exercises A and B. Classify the following nouns according to their given kinds. Students, these are the words. Write the words. Write these words and classify this according to their given kinds. Which given kinds? Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun. Students, we know that telephone, bed, students, school and airport, these are common noun. Any telephone, any bed, any student, any school, any airport. But in proper noun, Dr. Abdul Qadir, Dr. Qadir Khan, Malaysia, Minar Pakistan, K2 Peak, these are proper noun and should be written the first letter of these words in capital form. Collective noun, class, army, team, these are collective nouns. Material noun, we have already known that silver, plastic, wood, steel, these are material noun. Classify the following nouns according to their given kinds. Students, salt, orange, chocolate, flower, dust, house, wool, finger, rain, wallet, container, juice. These are the words. These are the noun you have to classify the following nouns according to their given kinds. Students, we know that orange, container, flower, house, finger and wallet. We can count these words. But salt, dust, wool, rain, chocolate in melt form and juice, which is liquid, we cannot count it. Classify the following nouns according to their given kinds. Students, which given kinds? Concrete noun and abstract noun. You have to classify these following nouns according to their given kinds. In concrete noun, we know that concrete noun can be touched, seen, tasted, heard or smelt. So friend, servant, garden, rocket and dining table are concrete noun, while bravery, kindness, honesty, childhood and friendship, these are the words which are abstract noun. Students, this is your homework. Do this work in your grammar book and learn it. Stay safe at home. God bless you.